Vietnam, a land where ancient traditions intertwine with the vibrant pulse of modern life. A place where its heritage captivates the soul, while dynamic cities and stunning landscapes unfold a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Not just home to cultural wonders, our country is also politically stable, with a government committed to providing innovative policies and a safe business environment. Vietnam stands as a promising destination of boundless opportunities in technology, manufacturing, agriculture, and other sectors for investors and enterprises. On October 25th to 26th, 2025, the world will gather in Hanoi, our capital city, for the historic signing ceremony and high-level conference for the United Nations Convention against Cybercrime, strengthening international cooperation for combating certain crimes, committed by means of information and communications technology systems, and for the sharing of evidence in electronic form of serious crimes. The signing ceremony will be jointly inaugurated by the President of Vietnam and the Secretary-General of the United Nations. Organized by the government of Vietnam in collaboration with the United Nations, this pivotal event marks the first international treaty addressing cybercrime in over 2 decades, fostering unprecedented global cooperation to combat this escalating threat. The Hanoi Convention embodies Vietnam's efforts in multilateral diplomacy and proactive international integration. It affirms the country's role as a reliable partner and responsible member of the international community in shaping global legal frameworks for peace, stability, and shared development. In line with this determination to global engagement and modernization, we have embraced digital transformation as a cornerstone of economic growth and national security. Key initiatives such as Resolution Number 57 and Project 06 are accelerating e-governance, expanding digital infrastructure, and fostering a thriving technology ecosystem. At the same time, Vietnam has made notable progress in combating cybercrime and strengthening international cooperation to ensure a secure digital environment. In September 2024, our Prime Minister officially designated August 6th as Vietnam Cybersecurity Day, an annual event to accelerate cybersecurity strategies and promote digital safety nationwide. Vietnam is also focused on developing high-quality human resources in cybersecurity through international partnerships, providing targeted training programs, and equipping our personnel with the expertise needed to address evolving global challenges. This dedication to innovation and security reflects Vietnam's broader vision, building a digitally connected and globally integrated nation. With this vision in mind, Vietnam is proud to host the signing ceremony and high-level conference for the Hanoi Convention, and committed to ensuring a professional, impactful event at the National Convention Center, a venue that meets the highest international standards. Traveling to Hanoi is easy and efficient thanks to Noi Bai International Airport, located just 45 minutes from the city center with direct flights to major global cities. To further support delegates, Hanoi offers a selection of premium hotels with exceptional service and facilities, providing a comfortable stay near the convention for all delegates. Beyond the conference, Hanoi invites you to explore a city of peace honored by UNESCO with its rich tradition and modern energy. From historic landmarks to world-famous cuisine, the city promises a vibrant and memorable cultural journey. Vietnam warmly welcomes you to the signing ceremony and high-level conference for the Hanoi Convention. Let us seize this opportunity to strengthen international collaboration and reaffirm our commitment to a secure digital future. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in Hanoi this October.